A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Tuesday's trading action at Dalal Street dated April 19th, 2022. After falling for 3 days in a row, SGX Nifty in early action is seen wavering. Technically, bears are now aiming at Nifty 17,000 mark. You can blame the pessimism too. First, uninspiring start to India's corporate Q4 as Infosys result came worse than expected with rising attrition and weakening margins. Second, inflation in India at high of 6.95%. India's wholesale inflation too rose to 14.55% in March. Third, a hawkish RBI and a hawkish Federal Reserve on the backdrop. Fourth, no respite in sight as WTI oil prices trade firm around $109 a barrel due to tighter supply amidst Russia-Ukraine crisis. Fifth, the 10-year US Treasury bond yield at 3-year high of 2.88%, signaling the potential for aggressive rate tightening cycle by US Federal Reserve. Also, the dollar index has crossed 100 mark. Technically speaking, Nifty's intraday support seen only at 17,007 mark. To regain momentum on the buy side, Nifty needs to stay above its 200 DMA at 17,165 mark. From a chartist standpoint, the technical landscape will improve considerably only if Nifty closes above its biggest hurdles at 17,847 mark, intraday hurdles at 17,477 mark. The options data for April series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 16,500 to 18,000 zone. Maximum call open interest is at 18,000 followed by 17,500 strike price. So the 18,000 mark will be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 17,000 levels followed by 16,500 levels. Call writing was seen at 17,200 and then at 17,400 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 17,000 and then at 16,400 strike price. In yesterday's trade, FIS sold shares worth Rs 6,387.45 crores, while DIS bought shares worth Rs 3,341.96 crores. Our chart of the day is bullish on stocks like HINDALCO, VEDANTA, TATA Steel and National Aluminium with intermonth perspective. The one stock to buy right now, buy HINDALCO April futures for 0 to 3 days at current market price 546 for an objective of 561 and then at 587, stop 523, alert oversold zone. Before we end this podcast, please note commanding attention will be Q4 earnings to trickle in today. ACC, Larsen & Toubro Infotech, Mastech, Tata Steel, Long Products. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022-4076-7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.